My sister and I hold title ownership on a rental as joint tenants. She wants to transfer her share to her living trust. Here are my questions. Number one, do I have to sign that quitclaim or grant deed to end the joint tenancy? Number two, can my sister quitclaim her interest to her living trust and then we hold title as tenants in common with our own separate interests? And number three, can I as an individual hold title as joint tenants with a living trust or a limited liability company, an LLC? First and foremost, an escrow officer is not an attorney and cannot give you legal advice. I, however, can answer your questions based on years of accumulated experience in the industry. But please consult with your own legal counsel before you do anything. Your joint tenant ownership can be turned into a tenants in common ownership simply with your sister deeding her interest into her trust. Your signature is not actually required. This breaks the joint tenants ownership that you originally had. However, in that scenario, the percentage interest owned between the two of you as tenants in common will be considered as 50-50 between you and your sister's trust. Now, if you and your sister own different percentage interests, then in order to confirm and set your interest correctly, it is best that the both of you sign that deed and specify on it who owns how much percentage interest as tenants in common. As to your third question, an individual, John Doe, let's say, should not own property with an entity, whether it is an ABC LLC or XYZ trust, as joint tenants. Here is the explanation of why not. Owning as joint tenant means that if one dies, the other one inherits the interest automatically. No will, no probate. An individual can die, but a trust or an LLC does not die. It can continue on forever. So if John Doe passes away, his interest would automatically go to ABC LLC or XYZ Trust, and there would be no opportunity to let John Doe's heirs inherit his interest. Is this what you really want? Here is my educational moment. Get legal counsel. I can't emphasize this enough. Everyone's financial status is different. Go to an attorney to set up the proper way you should hold your assets. Please do not use AI or the internet as your counsel. And in particular, this presentation is only for your reference, answering questions that come into us, and we always have to qualify our answers by stating that you must consult with your own legal counsel. Thank you for watching, and this is Juliana, Escrow Officer.